Today we will see how you can submit a travel request from your ESS portal. To submit a travel request, first log in into your ESS portal. Update the cloud account name which you will receive from your HR. Enter / and update your username and password. Once you log in into your ESS portal, go to payroll, then employee advance expense or travel request. Previously, if you have already submitted the travel request details, then those details will be visible here, and you can review the status also whether it is applied, approved or declined. To submit a new travel request, fill in the required details such as trip name, select the trip from date and due date. You can update the trip description here. Select the reporting manager and mode of travel. Update the estimated cost. If you have estimated file, then you can upload that file here. Once all the details are updated, click on submit travel request. Once these entries are saved, your reporting manager will receive a notification and take an appropriate action. Once your travel request is applied and approved, then you can apply for an expense advance before the trip. To apply expense advance, go to advance expense claim. Click on add advance expense claim. You will be able to apply expense advance only when your travel request is approved by your manager. So once it is approved, you can select the travel request here and enter the expense advance amount. You can update your remarks and select the reporting manager and click on save. Once the advance expense details are saved, your reporting manager will receive a notification and take an appropriate action. After submitting the travel request in advance expense claim details, you can submit your expense claim details here. Or if you just want to submit reimbursement details, then that can be done in the same window. If you have already submitted the expense claim details, then those details will be visible here. To submit a new request, select the expense subcategory here. If you have submitted travel request, then you can select that travel request details. Based on that, system will show estimated price here. Fill in the required details such as bill number, merchant name, update the expense amount. You can update your remarks here and then select the reporting manager and upload the expense file. This file is mandatory. Without that, you won't be able to submit the expense claim details. Once all the details are updated, click on submit claim. Once the expense claim details are saved, your reporting manager will receive a notification and take an appropriate action.